go again. Thursday, June 23, 2022. Back at it outside in the heat because it's hot. Come on, Cheech. He always got to be fucking with my shit. Cheech, come here. Hey, this way. Stay away from the chair because you knock my shit over and I don't like that shit. Yeah, you just want to be my buddy. Anyway, another Tabata workout today. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. 3 rounds, 12 exercises, 6 minutes around 18 minutes of workouts we got today. I must be a glutton for punishment because I got another killer workout today. I'm gonna be dying. I'm sure I'm already out of breath from running 2.5 miles. So I'm back out here. It's weigh day. So after I'm done this, it's Thursday, day 4 of the fast. After I'm done my workout, hit the sauna, get all the fluids out of me, and then boom, weigh it. Remember the other day I was 195.3. That was Monday. Monday. Weigh myself today. Tomorrow I'll give you the results. Show you how much weight you can lose by fasting. Anyway, let's get it started. Got a barbell out here with 95 pounds on it. We're gonna do some squats, some bent over rows, barbell rollouts. By the way, workout number like 520 or something, 510. I don't know. We got a lot of fucking workouts here. It's insane. Like, subscribe, share, comment. First thing, we got some star jacks. We're gonna start up right here with some star jacks. Cheech is out of control. I might be taking it a little easy today because I'll tell you, I am winded already. And I got my water jug over there, just filled it with ice. I like getting a little cardio in first. All right, next, barbell back squats. And we're gonna pick this up. I'm right here. Back squat. Boom. Try to go as low as you can. If you can't, don't worry about it. My legs are on fire. Oh yeah. Okay, barbell strict press. So, oh shit. So we're gonna push this up overhead like this. That's one. That's heavy. Oh yeah, down we go. Now we're over to the rollouts. The rollout part of the show is right here. Get down here, roll it out, pull it back, roll it, pull it back, roll it out. Use your core right here. Remember, core strength. Come on. One more. Ooh, it's tough. All right, next we got some skaters. Skater gators. Let's go this way. So, we're gonna pop this way. We're gonna pop this way. We're gonna hit something now. And that's in the sun. I like this. I'm Mr. Sun. I'm back in the sun. In the sun. In the sun. Like that. Bend over. Sorry. Barbell bent over rows. Right here. Up. Bend over a little bit. Pull it right up to your chest. Keep everything tight here. Glute bridges. This is where we get underneath it. Bring the barbell here. Glute bridge it up. That's it. Press it up. Press it up and hold it. One more. Oh, it's brutal. All right, roll it down. Get it off you. Come back around. Back to the rollouts. Right here. Roll out. You see, I'm not talking so much, huh? Knee to elbow slams. Yeah, see? Right here. Slam. So this is a cardio slash abs, but always to the side. Let's get over here. Shade it up. Like that. Next, push-ups. Close grip. Close grip means hands like in the shape of a diamond almost, and then down. Still got to keep it checked. Okay, next. Floor press. Okay, how am I going to do this? I don't know. Let's go this way. So we're going to go on. Up and over. Floor press right here. Up. 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 All right, sit up. Oh yeah. Now we got rollouts. Last thing. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up is not in my vocabulary today. That's okay, we can add on a couple seconds extra. Oh, it's hot out here today. On the core. Pull with the core. Let's get two more. One more. Woo. That's your one round. Make sure you get a break. Get some agua. Hydrate that shit. Whew. Yeah, I'm dying. So that's our Thursday workout. Get two more rounds of that. Get it done. I'm excited for two things. Weigh myself and eat. What am I gonna eat today? I don't know. It's kind of craving my pickles. It's been a while since I've eaten pickles. That was part of my routine when I was killing it. Pickles, my shake, sometimes some granola, some nuts, but the granola and nuts are just fatty. So I might go with some fresh squeezed OJ, a little bit of shake, and some pickles. So, like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. Yeah, Thursday, he's starting to get shredded. I know it's only a couple days, but it's all it takes to start back at it. We'll see you tomorrow with the results of the weight. Excited to say, what did I say I'm gonna be? I was 195.3. I'm saying under 190. Anything under 190 would be awesome. So that's a big loss for 3 days of fasting. So anyway, that's what I say today. Neil the Grinding Wheel on a Thursday. Peace out.